Hey everyone, I'm Indu, and today I feel inspired to share with you this grounding yoga sequence. Inspiration for this theme came for personal reasons. I've been moving house and I realized how unsettling and ungrounding this transition in life can be. So if you found yourself in a similar situation or you've been traveling from one point to the other, you might use this sequence just to ground yourself a bit more, connect with the earth, with the ground, with your physical body, with your breath. So when you're ready, jump into some comfortable clothes and I'll see you on the mat. Okay, we will start with a seated position, seated kneeling position called Vajrasana. If this is really uncomfortable for you, feel free to sit on a pillow or place a pillow between your legs, might be a bit more comfortable, or place a pillow just under your sitting bones. So find a comfortable position, place your hands on your thighs, relax your shoulders, lengthen your spine, chin gently in. And just notice your breath, each inhale, and each exhale. Letting go of the day, of any thoughts, any worries. Bringing your full awareness to this moment, to your breath, to your body. And from here, slowly coming down into a child's pose. So if you have a cushion between your heels and your sitting bones, you can keep it there. Extending your arms, bring your belly down to your thighs, and rest on your forehead. If your forehead doesn't reach the floor, feel free to bring your hands underneath. So allowing your body to sink into the ground, to let go of the weight from your shoulders, from your arms, and deepening your breath. Taking time to transition into tabletop position, coming to all form, placing your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Start moving through traditional cat-cow, so opening your shoulders, opening your chest. On inhale, exhale. Round your spine, chin comes in. Inhale. Looking to the front, exhale. Find your rhythm with your breath. And exhale. A few more times. Inhale here, tuck your toes, hips are sinking down towards your heels, and then lift up towards the ceiling. Come into down dog. Feel free to bend your knees to walk your dog, or just find a stillness. Your goal is not to bring your heels down to the ground, so feel free to bend your knees as much as you need, pulling your tailbone up, And then stepping to the front with your right leg. You can drop your knee down, come up to your knee. Roll your shoulders up and back and breathe. So as your hips are sinking down, again notice the connection with the ground. Through your feet, through your knee. And exhale, place your palms down, tuck your toes, step back into your down dog. Notice any sensation in your hips. When you're ready, step with your other leg, your left leg to the front, drop your knee down, coming up to your knee. Shoulders down. Deep breath, there's no need to rush. Your goal is to ground yourself, to calm your mind, to calm your body. Let's take another breath. Exhale. Back into your down dog. From here, drop your knees down and inhale. Exhale, come all the way down to the ground. Inhale into Cobra. Elbows in. Exhale down to the ground. For a moment, just place your hands underneath your forehead. Take 3 deep breaths. And slowly coming back, tabletop position, inhale. Exhale into down dog. You can open up your feet a little bit wider and walk your hands back to your feet. Come into forward fold. Feel free to bend your knees. Okay, as you press into the ground, inhale, come all the way up, bend your knees. Palms together, exhale. And arms to the side. You can turn to the side and step back. Step back, step to the side of your mat so your feet are parallel. And they can be a little bit wider than your hips. Turning one leg to the front. And on inhale, opening up your arms on the shoulder level and bending your front knee. So your back leg is on 90 degrees, coming into Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana. From here, roll your shoulders up and back. Just checking your alignment. And focus on the tip of your front middle finger. Sinking both feet into the ground. If you feel any little tingles or tension, feel free to bring your arms up on inhale. And on exhale again, release down into Warrior 2. Also feel free to drop your arms down and then come back again. Let's take an inhale, extend your leg, look up and exhale. Once again. This time as you inhale, turn your foot to the front, parallel to the other leg. Exhale, palms back to your chest. From here, bring your heels in, coming into goddess position. So you can keep your hands, your palms together. You can bring your hands to your hips. And let's inhale. On exhale, sinking down, opening your knees to the side, your hips are sinking down, your back straight. Let's inhale, come up, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Staying down, take a few breaths. As you inhale, reach the ceiling again. Bring your feet back to parallel level and opening your other foot to the other side. So coming into Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2 on the other side. Checking in with your alignment. Your hips are opening up. Pressing into both feet and looking to the front of your hand. Tip of your middle finger. Take an inhale, reach the ceiling, extend your leg and exhale back into Warrior 2. Once again, exhale, inhale, turning your feet to be parallel, exhale down, bring your arms behind your back, interlacing your fingers, opening up your chest, inhale. And on exhale, lower yourself down. Feel free to gently bend your knees. Relax your head, your neck. And release your arms down. Turn towards one leg, step back into your down dog. And then walk your feet to the front. Let's come down into seated position. Legs extended. You can move from side to side. Feel free again to use a cushion to sit on. Coming into a forward fold. Feel free to bend your knees if you need to. Engaging your toes are facing your chest. On inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, lower yourself down, bringing your belly close to your thighs. Take another breath. And exhale. Wherever you are, it's okay. Staying here a few breaths. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, arms back to the side. Bend your knees, come all the way down to the ground. Arms to the side. And with your knees bent, lifting up your pelvis, lifting up your hips on inhale. And on exhale, slowly lower yourself down. 2 more times. Counteracting your forward fold. Once again, chin is in towards your chest. Coming down to the ground, bring your knees towards your chest, rolling from side to side or back and forth. And then find your way to come slowly up into seated position. Cross-legged, feel free to take a few more breaths, feel free to stay longer in this position. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders. And slowly opening your eyes. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you feel a bit more connected with yourself and with the ground. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.